So guys, look at all this. Yeah. Focus one is nice.
Truck's from Henderson, Kansas.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Ford Fairlane.
What year is that? It's a nice Jeep. 64. That's a Ferrari. That is rare to see an old classic Ferrari.
I won't forget. That'd be really cool.
That's a Ferrari, man. Look at the back. Look at that. I got it. Yeah, pretty cool. That's just such a nice car. Alright. I didn't even know what's that. Oh wow. Nah. Look at the license plate.
66. There's that Chevrolet.
Oh wow, perfect timing, you know. I can't get over that Ferrari though. That Ferrari is just my favorite, just because I've never seen a classic one in real life.
Yeah, it's my favorite one here. I've never seen one either.
Everyone's just standing around that one. It sounds nice. Heck yeah. That feels nice. Hey. Look at that hood scoop on it. Hey Dad. That's the only time a hood scoop looks good on a truck.
See what's under the hood?
Huh?
You see what's under the hood?
Yeah, it's pretty close to that.
There you go. Sounds nice.
That sounds nice. Oh yeah. I got that on camera. What's that Ferrari? Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Nice. Heck yeah.